my name is Tomasa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a boat with the head of a dog using a Rubik snake 48. Okay, first of all, this first thin piece, pebble piece, we go once, then twice, then count 1, 2, and we bend that twice. This green piece, we bend it twice, blue piece, bend it twice. This white piece, bend it once. This orange piece, bend it once. Red piece, you bend it once. Green piece, you bend it once. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend that once. This orange piece once. Red piece once. This green piece goes inwards, and the pig goes outwards, so it can connect. This red piece goes once. Green piece goes inwards. Pink piece goes outwards. Connect. This orange piece once, red piece once, green piece to connect. Then we move this inwards and we connect here. We bend this again inwards and then we count 1, 2, 3. This third piece goes once. Then we bend this white piece twice. Red piece goes inwards, green piece inwards, and then the blue piece outwards. Then we count 1, 2. We bend the second piece twice, red piece twice, green piece twice. So you should have completed your boat with the head of a dog. Thank you for watching.